Okay, so today's topic is further solving of equation and inequalities. So in this chapter, we are going to discuss simultaneous. The word is simultaneous. Do you know about the simultaneous? What is the meaning of that simultaneous equation?
Multiple at a time, right? Like simultaneous equation system of equations, they have several equations at once, right? Usually two,
Yeah,
and they all have the same variables.
and if it is linear, what is linear inequalities? We discussed it earlier. Linear inequalities. Linear means
A le-
linear means the degree.
there's no exponents, right?
Linear means the degree of the variable must be 1. Okay.
Okay.
For an example, if you're talking about, let us say an equation like x plus 2 equals to 5. So this is a linear equation. Why it is a linear equation? Because the variable, the degree of the variable is 1. Okay.
Okay.
And if I take it x square plus x plus 5 equal to 0, is that a linear equation?
No, that is a quadratic equation.
Yeah, it's not a it's a quadratic equation. It's not a linear equation because it has a degree as 2. Okay. So
Yeah.
region will show the region once we are talking about linear inequalities. Okay. And then linear programming and that quadratic. So these things we are going to discuss here in this chapter. Okay. So simultaneous linear equations graphically and algebraically we are going to solve it. Do you have any idea?
Okay.
Do you have any idea about simultaneous solution of simultaneous equations?
I know you can solve them with a graph. I don't remember how it's done though.
Okay, but the system of simultaneous linear equations can be solved by substitution. Okay, and
But for that, we still need one of the values.
yeah, so that can be also used, but here only we'll see that by that graphically. Okay, so we'll solve it.
Okay.
Yeah, algebraically is also there in your syllabus. Algebraical solution is also there. Okay, similarly we will solve linear inequalities algebraically as well as graphically. Okay, got it? Okay, so okay, do you remember that how to draw straight line graphs?
Yeah, y equals mx plus c. That is a straight line graph.
Okay, so do you know how to draw it? Do you have graph paper with you?
Yeah, I do. I'm taking notes on my iPad, so I'll just use that.
Okay,
So so C is the y-intercept, so you can put the point there. Then for that you have to take x at 0, and then you can take the y-intercept, and then alternatively you can also take y to be 0, and then find the x-intercept, and then just draw a line between those 2 points.
okay, that's
You just
nice.
have to get 2 different points.
That's nice, that's nice. Okay, very good. And these are inequality symbol. Okay, these symbols are
Yes.
inequality symbol. So let us say we are talking about x lesser than 12, x lesser than 12. Let us say this is 12. So we are talking about this region. Okay, inequalities always show you the region. Okay, equation will give you the exact value of x, but inequality will give you only the region. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is your simultaneous linear equation we are talking about. Then first of all, we'll solve it graphically. So the very basic concept I am telling you, you just need to draw. You will be given two simultaneous equation with two variables. Let us say x and y. So let us say for an example, if you are having x plus y equal to 5, okay, and
Okay.
2x plus 3y equal to 13. Let us say these two equations you have, okay. So first of all, you need to draw this equation on the graph. You draw this equation on the graph. Wherever they meet each other, that will be the solution, okay.
Okay.
Just try to draw these two lines. These are straight lines, okay.
I'm very bad at drawing the graphs that are not in the form y equals mx plus c, but I'll try.
You need not to draw it by y equal to mx plus c.
Yeah, I have to convert it.
No, you need not to convert it. Just simply draw the table, okay. Table for
the
this
table.
one. Yeah, just find 2 points and join them 2 points, then you will find your equation. So let us say for the first one, this is x, this is y. If you keep x as 0, what you will get as y will be 5.
5.
Okay. And second one, if you put y as 5, so how much the value of x? Y is 0, so x is 5.
5.
So these 2 points you need to draw it on the graph. First of all, you just draw 5, 0. So let us say this is 5, 0, this is 0, 5. So just join these 2 points. So that will be the equation of x plus y equal to 5. Okay. And try to avoid answers in decimal.
Of course.
Okay. Because that will not be easy to draw. Got it? Just try to draw that second equation as well.
Okay.
Try to draw the second equation.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Okay. Take it x and y as simple as you can. Don't take it complicated one.
Of course. Okay, yeah, I drew it.
Okay, can you?
I don't know if I did this incorrectly because the lines are not intersecting.
They're not intersecting.
Yeah, they're not. I think I might have done this incorrectly then.
Okay, let me sing. Let me see. If I take the table of x and y, if I put x as 1 or
Yeah.
or with if I put x as 1, so 3y will be 11, so that will be in decimal. What happens if I put x as 2? So if x as 2, then 2 to the 4 plus 3y will be 13, so 3y will be 9, so y will be 3. Okay.
Oh, I think I made a mistake. Oh.
Yeah, so you got it. Why?
Yes, now the lines intersect.
Yes. And Another point. What is another point?
I did a decimal because I did not know what else to do. I did y is 0 and x is 6.5.
Don't take it in decimal.
I know.
Okay. There are so many other ways. So if you're putting x as minus 2, minus 1. If you take x as minus 1, then what happens?
Oh, y can be 5.
Y will be 5. That's simple.
Yeah, that makes a lot of
There are
sense.
so many values available to you because you have to choose the values, and don't take too big value, okay, because that point will be going beyond your graph. Okay.
Of course.
Okay, so these are 2 points. Just draw this 2 3 and minus 1 5 and just check it where these two lines are cutting each other.
These lines intersect at x2, y3.
Okay, that means that is
Does that
this,
mean
that is
x
the
is equal to
solution.
y is equal to 3?
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Any doubt till now?
No,
Okay, that's nice.
no doubt.
Okay. So this is the method how to solve that graph simultaneous equations with graphs. Okay.
Okay.
So you can look it here. That is x plus y equal to 8. This is the line. This is 4x plus 2y equal to 26. So you just drawn these two lines. They're cutting here. They're intersecting here. So that will be the solution. Okay. That will give you the values of x and y. Okay. Now we'll take another more. This example. Can you do this?
Okay, I'll do it.
Okay. Is it visible?
Yeah, it is visible.
Okay. After drawing it, just show me and tell me the points,
Yeah.
what points you have
Yeah.
taken.
Okay. Yeah, I'm working on it.
Okay.
Okay, I did it, but I think I might have done it incorrectly.
Okay, what you did?
I drew the lines here.
Oh,
So for
first of all, tell me the
so for
points. Tell me the points first of all. The first equation is x minus
0
3y. Okay.
for the first equation, I did 0 and minus 2.
Okay, just take it x and y. So 0 was x, then minus 2. Okay. Second one,
And then I did 6 and then 0.
6 and then 0. Yeah, you are right. Okay, so
And
just
after that, then for the next equation, I did x is 0
oh,
and y is 5.
just a moment.
Okay.
X is 0, so y will be 5. Okay.
And the x is 4 and y will be 1.
X is no. If x is 4, y will not be 1.
Uh,
If you put x as 4, so that will become 8.
if x is 2, then y will be 1.
Yeah. So if x is 2, then y will be 1. So that will be the correct one. Okay. You need to be careful. Got it?
Got it.
Okay, just now
No,
do.
let me draw. I just need to draw another line now.
Yeah. And just check it whether where they are crossing each other.
They cross each other at about x equals 3, y equals minus 1.
Your background is blurred. That's why I'm not able to see your notebook.
X equals 3, y equals minus 1.
Okay, x equal to 3 and y equal to 1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Okay, if you want to check it, what you can do, this point will verify the first equation as well as the second equation. Okay.
Yeah, we have to
So-
we have to substitute.
Yeah, if you put x as 3, so 3 minus 3 into minus 1, that will become 6. So that means it is verifying first equation. If you put in the second equation, that will be 6. 6 minus 1, that is equal to 5. So that is verifying your second equation. That means your answer is right. Okay. So you can check your answer in the classroom itself, whether it's right or wrong. Got it?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is right though. Since we just checked it, it seems to be right.
Okay. Got it now? So the solution is x equal to 3 and y equal to minus 1. Okay, now just try to do the first one, or you do that C part. Just do C part. First C.
The C part.
Yeah, first C. And they have given you need to take x from minus 1 to 5 and y from 0 to 10.
So we need to draw all of them instead of just one.
No. Means x value need to be taken from minus 1 to 5. You can take.
So if it is anything else, that means it's incorrect.
No, it's not correct. Whatever point we were taking to draw the table, okay, is talking about the table. So value of x, you can take it from -1 to 5.
Okay.
Got it? So that must not be going beyond -1 to 5. It should be in between -1 to 5. And y value must be from 0 to 10. Okay?
Okay, understood.
So that is the restriction. You need to keep it in mind. Have you drawn any of the equation?
No, I'm still struggling on the first one. The restriction is making it hard. I managed to find the one point, however, it falls outside of the restriction, so I cannot use it.
Okay, but you need to try it from x as -1 to 5.
Yes, I'm aware. I'm aware. I'm trying to make sure it is within the rules of the restriction.
What happens if it is -1?
X becomes -25.
-25. If x is -1, then
Wait, no, -5, yeah.
yeah, -5. Okay, that will be in decimal. If you put x as 0, that will also be in decimal. Okay.
Yes.
If you put x as 1, yeah, that will also be in decimal. You see, yes. If you put x as 1, no, if you put x as -1, that will not be in decimal. Just put x as -1 in the first equation.
-5.
Try.
Wait, but for that, y will have to be -1, and y cannot be -1. It has to be between 0 and 10.
No, you can't take y. This is the assumption value. Okay.
Meaning?
Meaning means you can't assume y beyond 0 to 10. But
yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Which is why x being -1 will
Okay, yeah, you're right. So if x is minus 1, it will be given y as how much value? Minus 1.
If,
Minus
if
1.
x is equal to -1,
Then
then
y
the
will,
y value will also have to be -1, so it can be +4.
yeah, okay.
That will not that
What,
will not work.
yeah, what happens if x is minus 2? That means, sorry,
X is
sorry,
-2 will
sorry,
not
sorry,
work.
sorry. If x is 0, then y is not in whole number, not a whole number. If x as 1, so that will also not a whole number. If x is 2, so that means 10 minus 4y equals to -1. That will also not work. If x is 3, so that means 15 minus 4y equals to -1. Now that will
Oh, I
work.
think that will work.
That will work. Okay. So if x is 3, then y
Then
will
y
be
will be then y will be 4. Y will be
y
4
will be
since
4.
15 minus 16 is -1.
Okay. So like this, you need to find the values. Just try to find it.
But we need a second value still, right?
Yeah, second value is find its second value. Just try to put x as 4 and see what is happening.
If x is 4, it will not work.
Okay. What if x is 5?
It will still not work.
25, yeah. Still it will not work. So that means you need to take value of x, you have to go in decimals. Okay. That is the only thing you can do. Got it? Because restrictions is given, so you need to go in decimals also to justify your restrictions. Got it?
Okay, so if I were to take x to be 0, then y will be then y will be 0.25, right?
Yes.
Okay, now to do the other one.
Okay, very
This
good.
is much easy. This will be much easier now that we know that we can actually do it in decimals.
Okay.
When x is 0, y will be 10, and when x is 5, y will be 0.
Okay, very good. इसलिए have you drawn that?
Yes, I'm doing it.
Okay. Are you doing it on tab?
Yeah, I'm doing it on my iPad. Yeah.
Okay, very good.
I have got the values.
What values you got?
So they intersect at the point x is 4 and y is 3.
Okay, just verify it with both the equations. Isn't 3 4? Is it 3 4 or 4 3?
It's 4 3.
No.
X equals wait no 3 wait x equals 3 and y equals 4. My mistake. Sorry.
Yeah. So that is 3 4. Just verify it with both the equations. As 3 4 was lying on the first, we have taken it. So that is not the point of verification because it is already lying on this equation. Now we verify with the second one.
Yeah, both are correct.
Okay, very good. So that means it is the right answer. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Now use the graph supplied to find the solution to the following pairs of simultaneous equations: y equal to x and y equal to minus 2. Just can you try it, the first part?
I don't think we need a graph for the first part.
Okay, we don't need a graph, but yeah, we can we do that last one? Y equal to x and y equal to 4 minus 2x. Okay?
Yes, I'm working on it now.
First you need to draw the table for first one and then for second one.
I don't think we need to draw a table for the first one. It is a very clear graph.
Yeah, that means for x equal to 1 y will be 1, for x equal to 2 y will be 2.
The intersection lies on a decimal.
Okay. What is the value?
Roughly x is 1 and the y is 1.5.
No, it can't be. Both values must be equal because y equal to x. Clearly it is there. Y equal to x. Okay. So both should be equal. X and y.
Maybe it's an error with my drawing. We can try both being 1.5.
How you
Though I doubt that will work.
how you drawn it? Just show me. Y equal to x. You are blurred, so I am not able to see. Yeah, your screen is blurred. You just please remove your blurred background, then I'll be able to see that. Okay. So it is y equal to x. Okay, that is y equal to x, and another one. What point you have taken for y equal to 4 minus 2x?
I did x is 0 and y is 4, and then x is 2 and y is 0.
X is 0, y is 4, x is
2, y is 0.
y is 0. So that 0, 4 and 2, 0. Just show me your tab, how you have drawn this. 0, 4 and 2, 0. 0, 4 and 2, 0. Yeah, you need to be precise. Just some more up. Where is 2, 0?
Perhaps in our next session I'll bring a physical notebook.
Yeah, if it is a physical notebook, then you will be able to draw it correctly. Okay, because
yes, I understand.
okay. So just practice it after this class. You just need to practice all these things, and if you have any doubt, we'll solve it in the next class. Okay. So these 3 and 4th question is your homework. Just write it down. All the questions, whatever we left, that all is your homework. Okay. That means the whole. That means the whole exercise 14.1 will be your homework. Got it? Okay. Now we are going to solve these simultaneous equations with algebra. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's something that I was hoping we'd do.
So this is solving by substitution and solving by elimination. Okay. Do you know what is solving by substitution?
I'm not sure.
Okay, let us say x plus y equals to 5. That is your first equation. And the second equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 13. These are two equations. Now you need to solve it algebraically. The first method is substitution method. So as its name suggests, you need to substitute any of the variable. Okay. That means whatever you feel easy, that you can make x as a subject and y as a subject. So whatever you feel easy, that thing you need to do it. So in the first equation, you can write it y equal to 5 minus x. Okay.
Yeah.
And from the first equation itself, you can write it x equal to 5 minus y. So both of the thing is working here. You can make x as a subject and y as a subject. Just avoid it if there is any fraction. Okay.
All right.
Fraction you need to avoid it. But that will also work. If you are not able to avoid that fraction, that will also work. Okay. And we avoid fractions because of simple calculation. If it is a fraction, it's not a simple calculation. Okay. It is just some complex one. So what you are going to do, now you just take value of y from equation 1 or value of x from equation 1, you just put into equation 2. Okay. So let us say putting, or you can say it is substituting value of y from 1 to 2. If you substitute value of y from 1 to 2, so what happens? 2 into x plus 3 into, at place of y you need to put 5 minus x, isn't it?
Yeah.
So in your second equation it was 3y, so 3 you have written it outside and y has written 5 minus x, and it is equal to 13. Got it?
Yeah.
Now you simplify it, it becomes 2x plus 3 into 5 is 15 and minus 3x equal to 13. Okay. Now 2x minus 3x, it is minus x equal to minus 2. So it will give you x as 2, isn't it? So you got x equal to 2. Now you just put value of x into your first equation, that means this equation. So if you put x as 2, you will get it 5 minus 2, that means 3. So x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 are your solution. Okay?
Okay.
Even you can verify it by putting these two values into both of the equations, so that they should verify it. So is it understood how to do solution of simultaneous equations with substitution? Is there any doubt in it?
No doubt.
Okay, so will you be able to do the questions?
Yeah, most likely.
Okay, just try to do this one. So there is no hard and fast rule that you have to make substitution from equation number 1. Okay, you can make substitutions from equation number 2 as well.
Yeah, I understood that. That's what I'm doing right now, actually.
Okay.
I got to x equals 7, y equals minus 4.
Okay, just verify it.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's
Okay, very good. X equal to 7 and y equal to -4. It was?
Yeah, -4.
Okay, very good. Let's do one more. Okay, now this time solving by elimination. Okay.
Okay.
So that is also very simple. Now this time you are going to eliminate any of the variable. So your equation was x plus y equal to 5 and the another equation was 2x plus 3y equal to 13. Let us say this is your first equation and this is your second equation. Now what you need to do, you just need to make either you make x variable or you make y variable. The coefficient must be same. Okay. So what is the coefficient of x here? In the second equation it is 2 and in the first equation it is x. So what happens if you multiply 2 with the entire equation number 1? So that becomes, if you multiply 1 by 2, so that becomes 2x plus 2y equals to 10, isn't it? Let us say this is your equation number 3. Okay. Okay, now in this process what you did? In this process we just made variable of x same in both of the equations. Okay.
Okay.
So now just subtract these equations. So if you are going to subtract that, the 2x, it is positive, so that becomes negative. If you are subtracting it, if it is 2y, that becomes minus 2y. If it is 10, that becomes minus 10, isn't it?
I don't think I follow. Why does everything have to become minus? Because we're subtracting, right?
Yeah, if this is being subtracted, y is being
So the equation is basically becoming minus 2x minus 2y equals minus 10.
yeah. Okay. That means if you're subtracting any algebraic expression, that signs are going to be changed, isn't it?
Okay.
So the 2x will be cancelled. So 3y minus 2y, how much it will be? It will be y.
Y.
And 13 minus 10, it will be 3. So that is giving you value of y as y equal to 3. Now you just have to put this value into first equation. So what do you get? X plus 3.
Why is this a different value from our last method?
It is the same, yeah. It's not different. X is equal to 2.
Last time we got y is equal to minus 4, right?
X is equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Just verify these two values. These values, just verify it from the equation. Verify it. That was the different equation. Okay. That's why its answer was different. Got it?
Oh yeah, that was a different equation.
Okay. So now quickly, so just understood the concept. You need to equate any of the coefficient of x or y. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll solve this example. This is your example number 3. You just need to do it at your own. And every time you need not to subtract it. If your purpose is solved by addition only, then you need not to subtract it. Okay?
Okay.
The main thing is you need to eliminate the variable, any of the variable.
y equals 1 and x equals 5.
Y equal to 1 and x equal to 5. Just check these values
Yeah,
whether.
I also verified them.
Okay, that means you're right. Okay.
Yeah.
So x equal to 5 and y equal to 1. Got it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now this time you need to apply any of the method to solve it. Whether you are going to apply elimination method or the substitution method, that is up to you. Okay.
Okay.
That will not be written in your exam that you have to apply substitution or elimination or graphical. Graphical may be specifically specified. Okay.
Is this for example 4, right? Where's
Yeah.
example 4, that one?
Yes. You need to do it. That is the last question of the day.
Okay. The values I got are x equals -1 and y equals 2. I did this by, what is it, elimination, yeah. Elimination method.
Okay. Check it, verify it please.
Yeah, this is after verification. I already verified my answers.
Okay, very nice. So you understood all the three methods?
I think I do, yeah.
Okay. So now these are some examples. You need to do it at your own. You just have to see which method is easy. Okay. There may be a substitution may be easy. Sometimes elimination may be easy. So you need to identify which method to use. Okay.
Okay.
Now you can also manipulate the equations. Like here, the variable, the coefficient of x is 2, the coefficient of x is 4 here. So what you can do, if you multiply in the first equation by 2, so the coefficient will be equal. Okay.
Okay.
So this type of thing you can also do that. So that is okay. These type of equations you also come across. So this 2 can be going there. So that will become 3x minus 4y equal to 20, isn't it? So in some equations they will not be very simple. You need to just simplify these equations. Okay.
Okay.
So that can be the case. So just try to do all the examples at your own, and homework, just write it down. It is 14.1 and 14.2, and what you need to do, you just solve it and make a PDF and upload it on Urban Pro in my chat box. Okay?
Okay.
So
Okay.
that if there is any correction needed, so we can work on it. Okay?
Okay. Understood.
Okay. So these two exercises, just write it down. It will be your homework. And every solved example, you need to try it. Got it?
Okay. All
Okay.
right.
Okay, then we'll meet on Wednesday. Wednesday is fixed.
I believe yes, Wednesday is fixed.
Okay. Okay then. Partha, bye bye. See you.
Goodbye.